Hey, this is Mr. Simmons, and we are in IED, and we are making 1.2.5 figure 3. So let's take a look at that real quick. It looks like a barbell to me with some holes going through. So we're going to be making this right here. So we'll get into our IED folder and our 1.2.5 sketches, extrusions, and revolutions. Oh my! We're going to create a new on document. We're going to title that 1.2.5 figure 3. All right, select OK. So we have our new on document. Looks like we need to create a cylinder, a rectangular prism, and then another cylinder on top. So let's start with our top view here. We're going to hit sketch, hit this view, and then we'll go with a center point circle. That diameter needs to be 1.25. Now we do need to be in inches. So my last project was in millimeters. So let's make sure we're in the proper unit. Yep, inches. So that's my default apparently. Okay, so let's go back and sketch, top view, center point circle, type in 1.2.5, hit enter. River circle. Our circle needs to be 0.5 inches tall. So let's go ahead and extrude that. Extrude. Select on this plane right here, and we're going to go 5 inches. Hit OK. Let's make sure we did that. No, we did not. Let's try it again. Extrude. I'm going to delete this one. Doesn't matter, but all right, let's try it again. We're on our top view. We're going to select this, and we're going to go 5 inches. I'm not sure why I didn't do it before. So select 5. No, sorry, 0.5. And OK. So now we have our cylinder. All right. So we're going to go back to the top view, and we need to create this rectangular prism. It looks like it is 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Well, if you look at the whole thing is 2.5 inches tall, minus 0.5 and minus 0.25. And so this structure right here should be 1.75. So 1.75, and it looks like from the center of this to the edge is 0.25. So our rectangle is going to be 0.5 as far as our square should have a width of 0.5. So let's go ahead and draw that. We'll go to sketch. We're going to pick on our top plane here. We'll go to center point rectangle, and let's draw that out. And let's go 0.5, enter, 0.5, enter, and now we have a rectangle. Hit OK. Now we're going to extrude that. Let's get a good angle to make sure we're going up. Extrude it, click on the rectangle, and we said, what, 1.75? We're going to extrude this, 1.75, enter, and so we have our rectangular prism there. All right, we're going to go ahead and hit OK. All right, so now we have to get these holes in there. So we're going to sketch some circles. So we're going to be on the front plane. Let's go ahead and line it up, and we'll hit sketch. And we're going to sketch on this prism right here. And then let's go ahead and do center point circle. We're going to be close to this line right here. We'll dimension it here in just a second. And it looks like it's 0.25 and all the way through. So let's go ahead and draw a circle and go 0.25. And we'll get another one. We'll draw another circle, 0.25. And then we'll draw one more, 0.25, enter. So now we need to dimension this as 0.5 right here. So we'll go over here to our dimensioning tool. We'll click on from here to the center mark. we have 0.5. On that up a little bit. And then from this center mark to the next one, we have 0.5. And then from this center mark to the next one, we have 0.5. There we go. We'll finish that sketch. And we have our circles. And we do not. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right, so now we need to extrude those circles. So we'll get a little bit of an angle here. And let's go extrude. Let's click on this first circle, hit remove, and let's go all the way through. Can we do it to multiple circles? I think we can. This one and this one. Let's see if this works. Oh, there we go. Looks like it worked. First time doing that. All right. So we have our circles there, and then our through holes. And now we add this dimension on the top. It looks like a cylinder on the top that has a diameter of 1.25 and extruded up to 0.25. So let's do that real quick. All right, so there's our top. Let's go ahead and sketch. We'll click on the top of this plane. Let's click on center point circle, and let's pull this out. And it should be about the same. So it's a 1.25, enter. And so we have our top circle. Let's finish that sketch. Let's get an angle here. Let's extrude that. Click on the circle, and we want to go up 0.25. There we go, and enter, and we have our barbell, although we have a hole right here. So what's going on with that? Let's go back. Let's take away that extrude. All right, and let's figure this out. Let's try this again. Extrude. Looks like that one and that one. Can we do both? Yes, there we go. 0.25, so I had to click on both of them. And then now I have my proper feature. I had to extrude both parts because it deemed as two separate parts. There we go. So there's my barbell. Let's put an isometric view. And let's go ahead and submit that for your submission online in Canvas. Thanks, and have a great day.